Okay, today, guys, we're going to talk about tools that Affinity Designer could adopt from Xara Designer Pro, and today we're talking about the Mould Tool. Okay, the Mould Tool is this tool right over here, and it allows you to create molds and envelopes. So right here, I've got a bunch of different rectangles. These are just vector shapes, right? I'll show you they're all individual shapes. These aren't grouped together or anything, right? And I'm going to use these and use the mold tool to apply an envelope. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just apply this banner envelope and watch what happens to these shapes when I apply this envelope. Okay, it deforms all of the vector shapes. Now I'm going to go ahead and once I click on the corner nodes, I can actually get the Bezier handles and I can affect how that looks. All right, and I'll do that here. Yeah, nice little flag shape right there, right? And you can play around with these and do whatever you want. And you can put things over the top of them to add highlights and lowlights with transparencies, that kind of thing. But this is not something that is available in Affinity Designer. I'm going to show you what I mean. So here I have the same type of rectangles set up in Affinity Designer. As you can tell, they're all individual vector shapes, right? And I'm going to grab all of these, and I can't affect these because they're rectangles, they're shapes, right? Unless I convert them to curves. Well, I can convert them all to curves, and then I can try and do that same kind of thing. Let's see, corner tool. No. Here we go, node tool, and I can bend these lines individually, but I can't really affect all of the shapes at the same time, which is really kind of annoying. So like I say, this is something that Affinity Designer could, learn to use from Xara. Unfortunately, it's not something that Affinity Designer allows you to do. The other thing I tried to do, just so you aren't thinking that I don't know what I'm doing, I've tried to group them first, and then and there are still curves in here, right? And then tried to affect them like that, but I can't affect the entire group, right? I can't grab them. I can still only grab individual shapes and apply curves to the lines. So again, something that Affinity Designer could use as an additional vector tool that would be very useful. Anyway, hope you found that useful and interesting, and we'll come back again and see us next time.